Hi, so today we are going to be making sublimation coasters for our friend who just got married, and so we've printed out our design, but we are going to preheat our heat press to 400 degrees and we're going to be pressing that for 45 seconds. And so we're going to make sure that we need our heat tape and our coasters and our pattern, as well as some scissors because we didn't need to get that out. But here we're using our jet cold DHS dye sublimation paper. And then we're just going to cut that out to the size that we want it. Here we're going for a Polaroid style. Once we have that all cut out, we are going to place our coasters down and we are going to be placing the photo down onto the coasters. We want to see the backing of our paper. And then we're going to use our heat tape to tack it down so that we prevent something called ghosting. Ghosting is where you get weird lines and it's kind of like a ghosty effect. But once we're all done with that, we are going to press our coasters for those 45 seconds at 400 degrees. Once we're done, we are going to carefully pull off our sublimation paper because it is hot. Just press for a long time, but look at that. So easy. Super cute, all done. Thanks for watching at my craft source.